I wanna show you how to make a shake effect to the video in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline. The first thing, you need to create the adjustment layer. Right click of the mouse, new item, adjustment layer. Drag your adjustment layer above your video clip. Then go to the effects and write directional blur. Add your directional blur effects above your adjustment layer. Come back to the effects control and change the value of blur length to 45. Then select the razor tool. Now, starting from the beginning of the video clip, move forward 1 frame. Make the cut for next 5 frames. As the last step, you have to delete the second, the fourth, the last part of the adjustment layer. Perfect, now you have 3 frames. You just need to position them on the part of the video where you wanna have the effect. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.